So today I'm taking a look at this portable propane forge, and this has double doors. So you get a door on this side and a door on this side. Got good insulation. We're gonna go get the parts out of this thing, get this thing set up. We'll fire it up and show you how it works. So it does come with good instructions here, very simple to set up. First thing you're gonna do is you got the parts out of it. I'm gonna go ahead and install these in, and then this is gonna go in here. Actually, I think I gotta install this first so we can screw those in. So let me get those screwed into this. Yeah, just loosen these up, and then we can screw these into this, because these little nozzles are threaded. Next thing you do is you're going to take your hose with your regulator, and we're going to screw that onto here. And then you're going to take this and screw it onto your tank. So here's our setup, and we have the line hooked up, and we have it over here. We have both valves off at the moment. Now we just got to get ready to light this thing up. Now you can see we got it lit. I used a long reach lighter, turned the gas on and lit it up. Now we're going to go ahead and put some metal in there to heat it up. Okay, while this is not an educational video, do your own research, but to light this I keep both doors open just so you're not getting a buildup of fumes before you light it. I light the lighter first, make sure we have a good light on this, and then I turn the gas on gently. Then you can go ahead and close up one side. Pretty hot here, as you can see. We'll go ahead and pound on it in a minute here. I'll readjust the camera. Let me get it a little bit hotter. And now we can do a little forging. You can see that's flattening that thing down pretty good. You would not be able to do that without having a forge like this to get this thing up to temperature. So let's heat it up again a little bit more. And all I do is turn the gas down a little bit, not all the way off. That way you don't have to relight it. So you can clearly see that is flattening that down. So if you want to do some metalworking, whether it's forging swords, knives, other tools, or you're working on something that needs to be repaired and you got to shape a piece of metal, a forge like this might be just what you need. This thing is fantastic. It works super well. Now this company did send this out to me to do this review, and I want to thank them for that. I really appreciate it. And hopefully this short video shows you a little bit about this thing and how it works. This is by far not an education video. Do your own research. I'm going to go ahead and shut the gas off on this. as I was saying, this is not an education video. This is just a demonstration video. Please do your own research, and if you're not comfortable with this, get a professional to make the part for you, whatever it might be that you might need. But this thing certainly is an extremely handy tool for working on the farm equipment, or if you're a fabricator, something like this will come in super handy. So I want to thank them one more time for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it, and hopefully the short video will help you out, and you can decide whether or not it's right for you. But there's the little instructions here. It's very straightforward. There you go. If you click that order button, now you know what you're going to get.